HP has finally mellowed out those aggressive, sharp, gem-cut corners from previous years. The new chassis feels much softer and more comfortable to hold, especially when you flip the screen around to use it in tablet mode for reading or sketching. It is built like a tank with zero keyboard flex and a hinge that stays exactly where you put it, which is critical for a 2-in-1. I tested the Slate Blue model, and while it looks incredibly premium, I found that the matte finish collects fingerprints rather quickly. You might want to keep a microfiber cloth nearby. One design choice I absolutely love is the port placement. HP kept the angled corners at the back for the USB-C ports, meaning your charging cable stays out of the way of your mouse hand. They also included a drop-jaw USB-A port, which saved me from living the dongle life that Dell XPS users have to endure.